What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we got some more snow. So I'm over at my buddy Trevor's house. He's got a RZR XP4 1000. If you guys watched that video of us going to pick it up, I mean, you'll kind of recognize the machine and whatnot. But yeah, we figured we would break out the toys and go do some skids. As you can see, she's got a little sideways coming in. But yeah, we get to try out the wiper today because I didn't really get to ride it much after I put the wiper on. If you guys didn't watch that video of the bent metal wiper kit install, I'll put a card up in the corner and link it down below in the description. But yeah, we're gonna send it. I'll throw the GoPro on and get some footage. Yeah, because of probably that clutching. I seen you sideways. I was like, I don't know how fast he's going, so I took off.
Yeah, no, it's got this sketchy.
Yeah, this thing, dude, in four-wheel drive, it goes. I mean, I got squirrely when I went by you, but it's predictable. BP to get gas?
Huh?
Can I go to the BP to get gas?
Yeah, I'm done.
All right, dude. I had that like perfect, and then I hit it, and then it just whipped right
I
around.
feel the same way.
Dude, that thing don't go at all in two wheel.
No, I have to keep it 4.
I mean, you're still drifting though in 4.
Yeah, it just makes me worried though, because if all tires start to slip, I almost took that pole out. If I got pole taken out, I mean, it almost took me out.
Well, at least you have your front tires to pull, yeah. Dude, this thing's fun in 2 wheel. All right, we'll go with BP real quick. Just made her back home. As you can see, the X3 is pretty covered in snow. I do gotta say, the bent metal windshield wiper does pretty legit. The only thing is, since it's like pretty cold out, so this is all like powder, Once you get some drag, it started dragging snow inside the cabin. As you can see, the seat's all covered in snow. So I just kept taking a microfiber, wiping it down. I know I probably mentioned this in a video before. I do have the upper doors ordered, just waiting for them to come in. They're on back order, so that should take care of that issue. Other than that, dude, this thing's a ripper in the snow, dude. So much fun. GoPro did end up dying, so I didn't get all of the footage. I think I got enough, though, for you. And then I did have 2 spare batteries with me. Apparently, both of them batteries are junk, so I'm going to have to order some new ones. But, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up. It literally costs you nothing. Takes a split second. I appreciate it a lot. Really helps out the channel. If you guys enjoy the content, want to keep up on the XRC build, make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell for notifications. Until next time, guys, I'm out.